Hi guys, today I am showing you the new update. And now I may Doug just photobombed me. Stop! Now I will show you the greatest thing in all time. Get out of the way, Doug. A pond! Yeah! Let's go swim in the pond. I'm gonna drown myself. Okay, let's go swim. Anyways, let's go check out the city map. Okay, here's the city map. I'll show you. Yeah! Autobots, roll out! Yep, look. What the? Doug won't stop following me. I'm scared of Doug. Oh my god. Really running after me. Where'd he go? Yeah! Anyways, there's this barrel. We can test out the items soon. More barrels. Lucky block. This thing. There's a mushroom badge. Mushroom. Yellow sun hat. Yellow dress thing. Mickey Mouse. Oh boy. Mushroom umbrella. Very snotty nose. It's very snotty. Anyways, I didn't do that. Cookie jar mouth. Mama, bow down to me, peasants. I don't know what this is. I actually don't know. Rent, just a normal one. Fork, knife, normal, silver. Plunger. Yeah. Golden 4-leaf clover. And then everything else that was in the last other one. Yeah. Okay. Now we can start testing out the cosmetics. Like this lucky block, this barrel, this. We don't need to test that out because wanna see that? Umbrella, Mickey Mouse, cool stuff. Ooh, maybe this. So yeah. Let's go in. Don't mind the green screen. So here's the fork and knife. Oh my god! Sleigh daddies! Oh boy! Mama! Wow! Wow! I'm not here. Whoa! Whoa! Jiggly! You guys didn't see. Okay. I just bombed you. Get bombed too. It's probably gonna spew out gold. Oh, what the? Nah, get out! What was that thing? Okay, we're heading into Monkey Blocks right now. Just you have to see me. And just letting you guys know, I already used the stuff for monkey blocks, so might not be able to build this, but I'll try. Yeah, we have to go to a different code. Just wait. Just add a 1 to the code. Oh. Loading in. Brr. I'm just gonna get out and then get back in. And it's still not there. Fully get out and then get back in. Just bird. No, get out. Guys, sadly the monkey block stuff didn't, the obstacle course stuff didn't load in, so I might have to end the video.